ating Chef's Magic player of the game, Jared Malvar from Kampon Clothing.
Pull up won't work. Para kay Feliciano, takbo na naman tayo sa kabila. Able to streak away from his defenders is Jared Malvar.
Magandang start para sa Kampon Clothing.
By Rosita, takbo na naman dito ang Kampon Clothing. Able to find a teammate underneath. Malvar with his second bucket. And just like that, a 10-0 run. And platoon substitution nga.
Kahit na nagko-commit sila ng mga turnovers, pa rin sila sa laro. So what more? Pero yun nga, speaking of what more, Jared Malvar hitting that 3. Grabe. Para makuha mo yung kumpiyansa mo.
Lane gets the layup to fall. That was Jared Malvar.
Jared Malvar, nagpapakita rin ito, itong player na to. Kanina, I believe, nakashoot na rin ito kanina.
Lead up to 19 now, the biggest of the ball game so far para sa Kampon Clothing. Sidestep maneuver, look at that shot from Malvar.
Jared Malvar. Grabe yung yung change of change of speed. Bagal, bilis, bagal. Napakagaling na player.
Paano mo nga naman masasabayan? Tsaka yung sukat na sukat niya rin kung nasa na siya on the court. Still able to convert on the layup.